In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Passkey on Gemini. Passkeys let you sign in securely with something you already use, your device PIN, fingerprint, or face, so you don't have to type a password. We'll first create a passkey in your Google account, then use it to sign into Gemini on the web in a couple of quick approvals. Start by opening a browser and going to myaccount.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you use with Gemini. From the account homepage, open the Security section. Scroll until you see Passkeys. This is where Google manages the keys that let supported sites recognize you without a password. Choose Create a Passkey. Your browser or device will display a system prompt asking you to confirm with your screen lock. Depending on your device, that may be a PIN, a fingerprint, or face recognition. If you're asked where to save it, choose this device so you can use your built-in biometrics or PIN. Approve the prompt to finish. Behind the scenes, a secure key pair is created and tied to this device, and the private part never leaves it. From now on, when a supported site requests your passkey, you'll simply confirm with the same screen lock you just used. With your passkey ready, head to the Gemini website in your browser. Select Sign In. When the Sign In options appear, choose Use Passkey. You'll immediately see an approval prompt on your device. Confirm with your PIN, fingerprint, or face. Once you approve, Gemini signs you in automatically without a password or verification code. It's quick, familiar, and designed to reduce phishing risks because the approval happens on your trusted device. A few helpful tips to keep everything smooth. Use a modern browser that supports passkeys, and keep your device's screen lock enabled, since that's what protects access. If you use multiple Google accounts, double-check that the account shown on the Gemini sign-in screen matches the one where you created the passkey. On shared or public computers, avoid saving passkeys and remember to sign out when you're done. And if you ever prefer the traditional route, the standard password sign-in option remains available on the same screen. That's it. You created a passkey in your Google account and used it to sign into Gemini on the web with a simple approval on your device. Passkeys make returning to Gemini faster and more secure, and once you try them, you'll likely skip typing passwords altogether. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part while you set yours up.